Hey guys, back again. Today I want to talk about family fishing days. I'm going to share my experiences and my tips on how you can have a fun day by the water. I'm going to also talk about my number one tip on how you can catch more fish and have more fun with your family. So let's get into it. You got him. Drag him up with your hand. Right. Yeah. Pretty cool. Okay, put him back, swim away. Yeah.
Let him go?
Yeah. So this is aimed at, beginner families just getting out there. This video is not made for anyone who's done any serious fishing before. So if this is what you're looking for, you can move on. This is not a video for you. This is for people who haven't fished a lot and they're just getting into stuff like this, getting out there and adventuring and spending time outdoors with their family. So the first tip is rod holders. So rod holders need to be part of your kit that you take. What they do is it just lets you be able to chuck your rod straight in the holder. If they want to switch up and do something different, a lot of the time the kids go between playing and fishing. So having that rod holder there saves the gear from getting wrecked, and they can just go between what they want to do and then back to fishing whenever they want. So essential bit of kit, must have in my opinion. So tip number 2 is weather and wind. So wind can make or break a family fishing trip, and in my opinion I would like to be fishing when there is little to no wind. If you really must fish and there is wind, try and find a spot where the wind is at your back. This is just going to help you with your casting and just make the day way more enjoyable. So learn how to predict weather and look into that wind speed and which way the wind is headed. So tip number 3, finding the right fishing spot. Everyone wants to know everyone's secret fishing spots, but let me give you my little handy hint. A good fishing spot is a spot that has structure. What is structure? So structure is just where fish will hold and hang out. Fish want to feel safe, so they want to be able to hide and find cover. Stuff like rocks, mangroves, sticks, water depth difference. So even like sandy fishing banks, gutters and runoffs can be good fish holes. So I try and find spots that have good structure but also have the balance that the kids are going to have a good time too. So often I find myself fishing at the beach or at the inlets of beaches, just because it seems to find the best balance of fishing and family time. So spend a bit of time on Google Maps, have a little look, and try and find that balance. It's really important. Either you'll have a cracking day fishing and the kids will hate it, or other way around, or hopefully you find that balance. Tip number 4 is quality gear. So quality family gear, quality gear all round. You guys have to have good quality kit. So some of the essential stuff for me is good quality backpack, good quality esky, got to have shade, and got to have good quality water bottles for the kids and myself. So stuff like the insulated bottles from Yeti are awesome. But yeah, definitely want to have good quality kit, and they're my essential items: backpack, esky, water bottles, obviously fishing gear, shade, all must-haves. So tip number 5, and my number 1 tip on what changed our family fishing trips from maybe catching fish or not catching any fish to catching fish nearly every time we go, is how I rig my line, leader and line weights. So without getting too specific, but using fluorocarbon leader and light fishing line, we were able to change the way we fish and catching so much more fish and having way more fun together as a family. The young fella catches fish every time he goes. So we use fluorocarbon leader and really light line, and what that means is that we get more opportunities to catch fish. The fish aren't cluey, they don't really know what's coming. The fluorocarbon leader is pretty much invisible in the water, and you get way more opportunity to catch fish. This is just a spectacular spot, honestly. Just around the corner here at Elliott Heads is, look at it. That's it guys, thanks for watching. Let me know if you like the short fast videos or if you'd like longer, more detailed videos, and I can get more into the specifics of our setup and stuff like that. Just let us know. But anyway, peace, cheers, thanks for now.